How to change the privacy in VK account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the privacy on your VK account. So to do that you must follow the following steps right here. If you are using your Android phone, then beforehand open the VK app. After you open this app, then you can see it has an option like this for its app. You can just open it. Now swipe to the right side to expand it. When you swipe to the right side to expand it, go to the VK settings. Now tap on the setting option which you will see just like this. Now you should tap or enter the privacy tab option. When you tap on it, now you can change privacy settings on VK by doing this. This is for if you have the app on your device, but if you're using the browser, then you can use the following steps by just opening VK site and click on the profile of the photo icon. Second, open the VK settings, and then now you can see the privacy section and you can simply change your privacy on the VK. But you don't have app and other things, then you can simply use it from the browser of your phone as well, not only PC, and you can change the settings like that. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.